Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, I welcome you to this channel JBR Online Classes. As I always say that learning is more important than solving a problem, and in this video we are going to learn this integration. So it is x plus 1 root over x plus 2 divided by root over x minus 2. Now someone may say that this integration can be solved by maybe by parts method or maybe substitution method of integration, but I always say that you first try to solve this integration by making some intelligent calculations. Okay, so let's do this here. So here I am rationalizing the numerator. Okay, so x plus 1 is there already. I am multiplying by root over x plus 2 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So this is going to be root over x plus 2 whole square, and then this root will be gone. Okay, so x plus 2 I can directly write, and this is going to be root over x minus 2 root over x plus 2 dx is there. Okay, now this is going to be a minus b, a plus b. Okay, so it is going to be x square minus 4. Okay, so x plus 1, x plus 2 is there. This is going to be x square minus 4 dx. Okay, now I am going to multiply these two factors. So it is going to be x square plus 2x plus x, 3x plus 2, and this is as it is. Okay, now again I am going to do it by calculation only. Okay, so I am writing this 2 as 6 minus 4. So if I write that x square minus 4 plus 3x plus 6, okay, this is same as this, isn't it? I am just writing 2 as 6 minus 4. Why I am writing that? You can see that in a while. Now this is one term and this is another term. So this by this, this by this. I am just distributing this denominator into each of this term. Okay. Now can you see? So x square minus 4 root over x square minus 4 dx plus, you can take 3 out. So it is going to be x plus 2 root over x square minus 4 dx. Okay, now this is going to be root x square minus 4, isn't it? So integration root x square minus 4 dx, and then I am even distributing this denominator into each of these terms. So x by this plus 2 by this. So 3 into integration x by root over x square minus 4 dx is there, and this is going to be 3 into 2, so 6 integration root over x square minus 4 dx. Now we have a standard formula of root over x square minus a square. So you should always remember those standard formulas, because if you don't, you have to do this integration on your own on the spot, and that will take a lot of time. So I will always suggest that you please try to remember the standard formulas. That will help you. Okay, so for this the formula is x into root over x square minus 4 divided by 2 minus 4 by 2 into log mod x plus root over x square minus 4, and that's it. So this is the formula for this integration only. These integrations are to be done. Okay, so these formulas you can find in any book. Okay, any book you just go and watch, this formula will be there. This is a standard formula. Okay, now this integration I am holding it for some time. Okay, this is again a standard formula. This is again a standard formula. Here that formula is dx by root over x square minus a square. Okay, you please try to remember those standard formulas. So I am writing this integration as 6 into log of mod x plus root over x square minus 4, and that's it. So this integration and this integration both are done. This integration is left. So 3 into integration of, now here I am going to apply substitution method to integrate this small integration, and that method, so I am substituting x square minus 4 as z. Now if you differentiate, 2x dx is going to be, sorry, z square, so 2z dz. Okay, now you just substitute. So here you can see that these two will get cancelled and we will have x dx equal to z dz. So x dx is already present in the numerator, so that will get substituted by z dz. So z dz divided by, this is z, okay, because root over z square, so it is going to be z only. Okay, now z and z, that will get cancelled. So finally we are having, this will be only dz, integration of dz. Okay, so these quantities are there, these are already done. X plus root over x square minus 4 plus 6 log mod x plus root over x square minus 4, and then this is integration dz, that is going to be z only. So plus 3z plus c. Okay, now just we need to substitute the value of z. Z square is x square minus 4, so z will be root over x square minus 4, and we are actually done. 2 log x plus root over x square minus 4 plus 6 log x plus root over x square minus 4 plus 3 root over x square minus 4 plus c. C is coming, sorry, c is coming because this is an indefinite integral. Okay, now we are already done, so you can do some minor calculations, like here there is a log, here there is a log, so here you can subtract. So this is 6 and 2, so this is going to be x root over x square minus 4 by 2, and this is going to be 4 log of x plus root over x square minus 4, and then 3 root over x square minus 4 plus c, and that's the answer. Okay, I hope you like this video, and if you do, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. I will see you in the next video.